Welcome everybody to another tutorial. Everybody been asking how I've been getting all these airdrops, how I've been finding airdrops. Well, I'm gonna give you the magic sauce. This is one of the magic sauces, other than just finding it on Twitter, right? But here we go. So we go to airdrop.io. It's a real good website. Go over here, you can check out all the hottest airdrops that's out, the potential airdrops that out, and the latest airdrops that are out. So let's click on one. Let's do the When exchange. That's a good one. All right, When exchanges is airdropping 400 When tokens to users who sign up for the early access campaign. Cool, whatever. Here's the guide. What you gotta do: go to the When airdrop page, connect your Ethereum wallet, follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord. You receive your 400 when you get your bonus. You also get a bonus when you bridge to Blast. I'm not doing that. Gas fees are bananas. So yeah, that's one airdrop. Potential airdrops means that the airdrops might happen, it might not happen, it might happen. Look, we did a video on Hannah. I completed a T. I definitely did T. Beeble, that one's definitely coming out. See, it has the confirm stickers, right? We did Hannah, so we don't know if Hannah's really gonna work, but yeah, you get to complete the actions and get rewarded, right? So let's click another one. Let's click T. T's a good one, right? So all you have to do is go on T, sign up with your Google address or your Google email, and then you'll get 100 points. You also get 10,000 testnet tokens automatically. Go to your profile, connect your GitHub, and yeah, that's pretty much it. They want you to do other stuff too, but I'm not doing it, right? But they definitely confirmed that airdrops are going to be happening, right? So just check them out. Holder airdrops, right? If you hold some Atom, right? These are all expired. Okay, look at this one. No mig. All right, so what you have to do is you got to go to the airdrop claim page, get a Kepler wallet, see if you're eligible, and claim your tokens, right? So you need to have 1.5 Atom staked to claim, right? So that's pretty cool, right? Just different things that you could do. Those are pretty old, so let's go to something new. All right, let's go to Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin Cash. Oh shit, I didn't know about this. All right, claim BCH in your Electrum wallet. All right, so install the wallet, move all your Electrum funds into the Electrum wallet. This will move only your BTC, not your BCH. All right, cool, whatever. They got different little things that you could do. Mimblewimble coin. Yeah, I ain't ready for Mimblewimble. Alright. Bitcoin private. What the fuck is that? Alright, let's check it out. How to claim your Bitcoin private with Electrum. Alright, find your BTC, private keys, install this, install that. Go to your wallet, go to private keys, click sweep, click send, and that's it, right? Pretty easy. So I'm gonna do this myself, right? So these are like little things that you could do, just playing around with these little wallets and new ecosystems and new projects that's coming out. These people want to reward you. You're like a quality assurance tester. Like, you're making sure everything is up to par and everything is ready to go. So I hope you guys found this video something good, and you got some information out of it. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Thank you.